Thank you guys for the support. Shout out to everyone that's in there. Thank you so much. Hi Caps, Rushing Wind, thank you so much. Um, Maria Vixky, Lovely Reds, Lynn Telebrico, Princess Carla. Um, JC, Beautiful View, thank you so much, CC. CC, JC Leon, USA, thank you so much. JC Lynn on USA. Thank you, Iram, Kai, thank you so much. Mine channel, thank you all so much. Thank you. I'm gonna leave this on for now. I'm going to the store. Thanks for lurking, Caps. It's a little windy here, and clear sky, part of the sky anyway, but it is still gloomy on the other side, covering with clouds, the sun. But we're supposed to have a really nice day coming up for 7 days. Look at that beautiful bird right there, the orange and the black one. That is such amazing, beautiful bird. I can't remember the name of that bird. It's very seldom I see it here, but it's here. Okay, how do I do the... Okay, there you go. Oh, it's gone. Where did it go? Hello, Ivy. Thank you so much, Ivy. It's a little bit windy here. I hope I don't lose the signal while I'm gone. We had a really bad storm. Just went by a couple days ago, yesterday or a couple days ago, when I went to the store. The power went out for a little bit, then it came back on, but some places don't have any power. I don't know if they have it on now. I haven't checked the news. And it was really, really windy. We didn't get hit, but other places did and lost our power. Okay, Simply. Thank you, Cece. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm gonna be going to the store, but I'm worried that the signal is it's gonna be out of range. And then I was live streaming last night. Philippine Islands Adventure was live streaming last night, and it died. The reason for that, because of the brownout. Sometimes, for some reason, the power goes out at night when everybody are sleeping, I think. Because when I woke up, my live stream was dead. It ended. And I noticed the clock was flashing at midnight. Or, yeah. And then I know for sure that the power went out for a little bit. Good night, Sissy Nets. Thank you so much, Sissy Nets. Okay. Thank you, Simply Me. Thank you, Sissy. And then so, and when I went back, I tried to revive it because it was already ended. So I just went back to... Thank you, Sissy Simply Me. Thank you for leaving your other channel here. Thank you.